Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the app or website theme for your projects on Lovable AI. So let us guide you through it. So guys, navigate to Lovable AI or to your account on Lovable, and after that, let's assume for example you'd like to create a new project in one of your folders. You may simply use that communication panel here with the artificial intelligence, enter your prompt, like we see that example prompt here. But before you press enter or click into that button to let Lovable AI create your personal online blog or I don't know app based on your prompt, you may, for instance, go through that list of default themes. And you can even create new ones custom by clicking into this button or go with one of these. Alternatively, guys, once your website or your blog has been created, you can always go through the design here at the top, or simply give the artificial intelligence, again, here that prompt to change the theme or color, theme or design. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.